All right, team, welcome back to another episode of Ask Top, sponsored by MentorMilitary.com. And today we're going to talk about how to build and grow your soldiers by providing them an opportunity to excel. During my 27 years of active duty and since my retirement, soldiers continue to call and tell me, "Thank you, CSM. You made my career successful." My response has always been the same. I didn't do anything to provide you an opportunity. What you chose to do with that opportunity was up to you, and you chose to excel. Hey, if you like what we're talking about today, do us a favor and hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment about this episode or a subject you'd like to see in the future. Now, back to the presentation. These soldiers chose to excel even when they did not like the task before them. Grow where you're planted is a great philosophy that I was taught by one of my CSM. What does that mean? Sometimes we don't get the job we want. Sometimes we're not working in our MOS. But by doing the best we can in the job that we have, we contribute to the mission and stand out in the crowd. Sometimes a soldier doesn't realize you're providing them an opportunity. As you provide the opportunity, it's important to let them know what the opportunity is and how it can impact them personally and professionally. What are some of the ways you can provide an opportunity? Allow the soldier to work above their grade. For example, when I was in E7, I was slotted as a second lieutenant and I was rated as a second lieutenant. In another instance, I was a staff sergeant filling a master sergeant position and was rated as a master sergeant. Finally, I had a squad leader that would rotate us through as acting squad leaders, take us to the NCO meetings, have us do their job for a week at a time, including planning training, checking the barracks, you name it, we did it. They were right there with us, double checking us, but allowing us to fail and excel. We learned a lot. You also provide opportunity by recognizing potential. Perhaps the soldier or leader needs to go to a board, NCO, Soldier of the Quarter, Sergeant Morales, Audie Murphy, or you place the soldier in a key position during a major event or exercise that causes them to be recognized by senior leadership. As these things happen, the soldier begins to build a reputation and rapport with senior leadership. The opportunity allows them to stand out. Sit back and analyze your soldiers and their skill set. How can you develop them? How can you provide an opportunity? I challenge you to provide your soldiers opportunities to excel. What are the situations available to you? Be creative. Remember, sometimes they will not see it as an opportunity, and that's okay. You have to encourage them, let them know how it fits into the bigger picture, and to maintain a positive attitude. And then it's up to them. It also provides you an opportunity to assess the soldier's character and leadership traits and how they carry themselves during these events. In the end, these soldiers will pay it forward by providing the opportunity to their soldiers in the future. Hey, if you enjoyed today's session, hit the subscribe button. Don't miss an episode. Leave us a comment about today's subjects or one you'd like us to cover in the future. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.